In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all messages on Fiverr. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can see every conversation in one place without missing anything important. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. In the results, click the official Fiverr website. You'll recognize it by the familiar Fiverr branding. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your account so you can access your messages. Messages won't be visible if you're browsing as a guest. Once you're on Fiverr and signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an envelope icon, typically labeled Messages. Click that. This opens a quick glance panel where you might see a few recent conversations, but it's not the full view. To open your full inbox, click the option that says See All in Inbox. This takes you to the dedicated messaging page, which gives you a complete, organized view of your conversations. It's much easier to navigate here, especially if you communicate with multiple clients or sellers. On the left side of the inbox page, look for a small drop-down control. It's usually near the list of conversations and acts as a filter for what you're viewing. Click that drop-down to reveal the available views. From the list, select All Messages. This setting pulls everything together so you can review all your conversations in one continuous list, including inquiries, order-related chats, and any older threads you haven't looked at in a while. After choosing All Messages, your conversation list will update to show every thread associated with your account. You can scroll through to review recent chats, revisit older discussions, and ensure nothing has slipped through the cracks. If you're handling a lot of messages, take a moment to scan the timestamps and unread indicators so you can prioritize the most recent or important conversations first. A couple of quick tips to make this view even more useful. The All Messages filter is ideal for a comprehensive scan of your inbox, especially when you're catching up after a busy period. If you're trying to find something specific later, you can rely on the search bar at the top of the inbox page to locate messages by username or keywords. But for now, All Messages is the fastest way to verify you're seeing everything. That's it. Open the site, go to Messages, choose See All in Inbox, then use the left side drop-down to switch to All Messages. You'll have your entire message history at your fingertips.